Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and TikTok account called Teresa Jackson Artist and YouTube Educator. I hope everyone is well. Before we get into today's video, I wanted to let you know for your information that this video is my own words and thoughts. And this goes for every video that I make. Are you or someone you know living with limb differences and complex medical needs? You're not alone. Embracing diversity means acknowledging and celebrating our differences. In this video, we'll explore how to navigate the challenges that come with these conditions and find support and connection within the limb difference community. Limb differences can range from missing fingers or toes to complete absence of limbs. They can be congenital or acquired through various medical conditions or accidents. It's important to recognize that every limb difference is unique to the individual, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach to managing these conditions. Regular medical care is crucial for individuals with limb differences and complex medical needs. Visiting a medical professional who specializes in this area can provide the necessary support and guidance. They can help with managing pain, prosthetic fittings, physical therapy, and connecting you with resources within the community. Connecting with others who share similar experiences can be incredibly empowering. Support groups, both in person and online, can provide a safe space to discuss challenges, share stories, and offer emotional support. Through these connections, you can learn about adaptive technologies and strategies that can enhance your daily life. It's vital to remember that having a limb difference doesn't define you. You can pursue your passions and engage in various physical activities. With determination and the right resources, individuals with limb differences can excel in sports, art, and many other endeavors. Don't let anything hold you back from living the fulfilling and active life. Lastly, advocating for inclusion and raising awareness about limb differences is essential. By actively participating in community projects and events, we can educate others on the challenges faced by those with limb differences and complex medical needs. Together, we can create a more inclusive society that celebrates diversity. Thank you for watching this video on navigating limb differences and complex medical needs. Remember, you are not alone, and there is a community ready to support you. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and TikTok account called Teresa Jackson Artist and YouTube Educator to join the conversation. Embrace diversity, embrace inclusion. Plus, please don't forget to follow my official branded Facebook account called Teresa Jackson Artist and YouTube Educator, so you can see all updates, upcoming videos that I bring out and all new products that I bring out on my website. And again, this is my own general fan page, and it is not a fake account, and the reason that I post it on TikTok is to get it known and so that my fans can follow me. Have a lovely day whatever your plans are. Please do not hesitate to ask me any questions. I will answer anything you would like, as I am an open book. And see you all soon on the next video that I do.
Take care. Bye.
My official Facebook brand account for followers and fans, please follow me.